If you've ever been denied a loan, hit a wall with your credit score, or felt like your financial past is holding you back, you've probably wondered, does credit repair actually work? It's a fair question. There's a lot of noise out there. Some people say it's a scam, others swear by it. So let's clear the air. I'm Sam Parker, CEO of My Credit Guy, and I'm here to give you the straight truth about credit repair. What it is, what it isn't, and how it can legitimately change your financial future. Let's start with the basics though. Credit repair is the process of identifying errors, inaccuracies, and outdated information on your credit report and taking the proper legal steps to fix them. Notice what I didn't say. Credit repair is not about deleting accurate negative items just because you don't like them. It's not about tricking the system, and it's definitely not about overnight miracles. So what does work? What works is understanding your rights. Under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, you have the legal right to dispute any item on your credit report that is inaccurate, unverifiable, or outdated. And the credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, they're required by law to investigate and correct these errors. You'd be shocked at how many credit reports do contain mistakes. Wrong balances, duplicate accounts, late payments that were actually made on time, collections that already paid or never yours in the first place even. These errors drag your scores down even though they don't belong there. At My Credit Guy, we work with our clients to spot those issues, submit disputes or challenges, and follow up and get answers. Sometimes the items get corrected, sometimes they get deleted altogether, and sometimes they come back as legally verified. And when that happens, your scores reflect that change. But what's one part of the picture? Credit repair also means creating a strategy. We help clients not just fix what's wrong, but build what's right. That includes things like lowering credit utilization, establishing positive trade lines, and adding the right types of accounts to boost your credit profile. Like, for example, if you're maxed out on your credit cards, your score's gonna take a hit, even if you never miss a payment. If you're only using one type of credit, like a personal loan, that lack of diversity and not having credit cards, that's gonna hurt your score. And if you have no active credit at all, lenders see that as a huge risk. They don't wanna be the first one to see how you pay things back, even if you're debt-free. We create a tailored plan to address all of that for you, not just fix the credit report, but build long-term financial health. So let's talk about results. Can credit repair help raise your score? Well, absolutely, if there are legitimate issues to correct and you follow the right process. Our clients regularly see improvements of 50, 100, and sometimes even over that in terms of points that they're gaining through working through our process. But it all depends on their situation, and it's not instant. This isn't a magic wand. Real credit repair takes time, patience, and even legal expertise sometimes. You might see results in a few weeks. You might need several months to work through this game plan. The key is doing it right, staying consistent, trusting the process, and remembering that this problem didn't happen overnight and we're not going to fix it overnight. Unfortunately, there are a lot of credit repair companies out there making big promises that they can't keep, and that's why credit repair has a bad name. But My Credit Guy was built differently. We don't charge upfront fees. We start with a free credit review, and we're completely transparent about the possibility of what can and can't happen with your credit report. Credit repair really does work when it's done legally, ethically, and with long-term strategy in mind, and with a credit profile that actually needs the help. It's not about shortcuts, it's about taking control of your financial story. So if credit has been holding you back, whether you're trying to buy a home, get a car, launch a business, or just feel confident again, we are here to help. So just head on over to mycreditguy.com to get your free credit review. No pressure, no gimmicks, just real solutions. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real talk about credit, and drop questions below in the comments. I'm Sam Parker, and now you know what actually works when it comes to credit repair.